guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this beautiful black swan look for this year's Halloween. Because I have always been, carried away with how beautiful is that, bird and the creature, and I really love that. And and I think like this is the perfect time to like create that special black swan look for my Halloween. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. I'm starting this look with coating my face with one layer of foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade 009. Applying the foundation with my fingers all over my face, then taking my PAC 007 foundation brush and I'm blending this into my skin for an even look. After the foundation, I'm going to start with creating my eye look. For that, I'm using the Plum Goodness Kajal and applying it all over my eyelid. Quickly blending the kajal to build up the eye color. Next, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black to intensify the black eyeshadow. I am blending the shade to even out the look as well. Now I'm going to line out the black swan feathery look around my eye, and for that I'm using the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Matte Eyeliner. This is one of my favorite product to use because it's intense color payoff and you just need like one stroke to create any eye look or any look you want. I was really happy that I could draw the outline in one go, and it's all thanks to the eyeliner. After lining my black swan feather look, I am filling the space with the Sugar Cosmetics Gel Liner. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline 24K Nude Palette. I'm going to start with the black shadow from the palette, which also has a silver glitter on it. Do not worry, I'm going to add more glitter later on to make it more glam. Taking that shade onto a flat eye brush, I am patting the shade on top of my eyelid to intensify the black even more as well as to get a little more glittery. Taking the same shadow into a very precise brush, I'm adding some depth to the look. I'm shadowing the lines of my nose, under my eye and high points of my feather look. Now taking the Plum Goodness Kohl again, I am tight lining my lower waterline. Now it's time to conceal my face, and for that I'm using the NYX HD Concealer in the shade 03 Light, as I need the super bright highlights to increase the intensity of black, which will make it a perfect Halloween look. I'm blending my concealer with the foundation brush I have used earlier. The products and tools I'm using to create this look is really simple, so that everyone can create this look. I mean, this is what I want from my tutorials, that you guys see and learn and can recreate. So I'm keeping everything super simple so that you can recreate this look. Now it's time to pack my face with powder, and for that I'm using the Colorbar Sheer Touch Mattifying Loose Powder. With the help of this powder puff, I am applying it all over my face, leaving the black part. This will mattify the creams as well as give my skin a more paler look, which I am looking to achieve in this look. I have applied the loose powder in a generous amount to my face. Now with the help of this fan brush, I am very lightly dusting off the powder, making sure that the white pale shadow should leave behind. Now I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 02 Warrior. I'm picking up the black eyeshadow from the palette to create my contour today. You can take any matte black eyeshadow which you might have to create the contour for this look. With the eyeshadow blending brush, I'm going to contour my face starting with my nose. I have chosen this brush to get a sharp contoured look, which we generally do not do in makeup. For my cheekbone contour, I am starting with this brush and then blending it with the Smashbox concealer brush so that the contour is a little lighter than the nose contour. I am taking my sweet time to contour my face, as this is the most important step to achieve the look. Of course, this look is taking a lot of time, and to keep myself hydrated is very important. Now it's time to add some glitter to the look to make it more glam. For that, I'm mixing the Etude House Mirrorholic Liquid Eyes with the black eyeshadow I have used earlier and applying it to my eyelid. This will add an instant glam to this black and pale white look. Now it's time for the lips, and today I'm going to do something different, which I am going to skip the lipsticks. Rather, I'm using the Plum Goodness Kohl and Sugar Cosmetics Gel Liner as my lip liner and lipstick. For lashes, I have used the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes for my upper lashes, and I'm using a very basic and light lashes for my lower lashes. The final step is to apply the highlighter, and for that I'm using the Profusion Pro Highlighter Palette. If you want to check out the review on this palette, I have done that. I'm gonna put the link in the top so that you can click and check out the review on the Profusion Cosmetics. Taking the silvery highlighter shade, I'm applying it to the high points of my face.
You're taking up a fraction of my mind. Time I watch you serpentine. Oh, I'm trying. Oh, I'm trying not to think about you. Oh, no, not to think about you. Oh, no, I'm trying. Oh, I'm trying.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like the look for this Halloween 2020. If you like the look and if you want to recreate it, do not forget to post it on Instagram, and I will reshare it on my Instagram stories. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to all of my social media handles so that you and me can talk there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all your love and all your support. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.